In this question, you're asked to describe fully the transformation from A to B. From A to B, not the other way around, and fully meaning there's more than one part to your description. You must describe all parts in order to get full marks if you're in an exam. So we have to identify corresponding vertices. So that means which vertex on shape B corresponds to this vertex on shape A. Well, I can see that it's this one here. So I place my ruler carefully so that each vertex lies on the ruler, and I draw a long line. Try and make it as long as you can across the grid. Do the same for this vertex here. And I can see now that the centre of enlargement is here, but it's a good idea to draw a line through all three vertices just in case anything goes wrong with those two, and that confirms that the centre of enlargement is 1 and -4. Now, to find the scale factor of enlargement, SF for short, we divide the length of one of the sides on the new shape by the length of one of the sides on the original shape. So here, the length of this side here is easy because it's 3 units, whereas these you would have to measure with a ruler, and that means there's likely to be a bit of human error in there. So always use a vertical or horizontal side if you can, so that you can calculate this exactly. So 3 divided by 6 means that the scale factor, when I cancel that down, is 1/2 or 0.5, but 1/2 is nicer to write. And so that means that the full description of this enlargement is an enlargement by scale factor 1/2 from centre 1 -4.